Hi, welcome back to my demotivate programmer.
Last month, my friend lost their job, and one of them lost his job to AI tools, and another one lost their job to AI chatbot, which is work for support team. So AI is changing, and it's happening before in our eyes. So let's talk about this. Hi, this is Manu here, and today I will talk about AI is not just changing the job, and it's taking them. There is a thing, it's not happening the way we thought. Let me show you what I discovered. Let's talk about two scenario. One, let's say we have a company and where five people content writing. So they write content, some sort of stuff, and another side someone write using AI, and they can do the same thing as the five people do. So which one you think company prefer? Obviously, they prefer the better one because the person using AI will be less costly than the five-person, and there need to be less salary. So let's move to the another example. Let's say we have 50 people for customer support. They do the same repeating thing like yes ma'am, hello ma'am. So another side, we have five people who program AI chatbot, which is replying as the customer demand. So, which one better you think? In that case, we don't need 50 people. Company thinks that we don't need 50 people. We only need five people who can use AI to do that. That's more profitable for company, and let's talk about reason that why companies choose them. So the first thing is cost. As you can certain that I give you two example, both of them have their cost efficiency, and the latter one that human have a limitation, but on the other hand AI don't have that much of limitation. They can do the work as fast as we can. Hmm. Let's talk about why companies choose using AI. So most appropriate answer is cost advantage, and another answer is speedy and efficiency. So why advantage? I give the two example that cost exam efficient is like we don't need hire that much of people. We can do we can do 10 people work using one and plus AI. And on the other hand, uh, using AI, if a person can do using AI, the he or her work will be, I think, 20 to 90% efficient than before. Okay, let's look at which job will be burnable. So the job which has a uh, repetitive entry like data entry, basic coding, and customer support, and another things like pattern based. As AI is most of the behind the scene is coding, so it can understand the pattern far more than human. And in modern time, few days ago I saw that there is a AI which is a lot creative than us. So I think creative are not that much of safe zone. They are safe as long as they have uniqueness. So let's talk about the person who can defend them. About what should we do? So as we already know that AI don't have that much of intelligence as for now and creativity, and AI also don't have ability to solve the problem, and AI also don't have ability to create a new AI. So we can approach, like, we can solve our complex problem, and we can also dive deep into creativity and our emotional intelligence. Let me give you an example. Let me put myself in example. Let's say I am work in a company, so where my job is taking care of a full stack developer. Most of the my code, most of things I know about the front end, so I don't know that much of backend. Most of the time I use AI to solve the problem which happening on backend, and I write code using AI for this. So let's move to the second option, hybrid approach, which most of uh, us developer and lot of general users are using this. They use AI as a tools and AI as a business, AI for their business. That is another approach we can use. So AI is a tools which is evolving, and it will be evolved now, and it will be evolved more in future. I think we don't need to afraid of it. We should use it for our work. Let's say I need a paragraph which I don't have any idea, so I just write bunch of something, and it will automatically generate a paragraph or something like that. And I the reading after reading this paragraph, I will get some sort of new idea, so I can put my new idea and AI idea together and write something better than before. So we don't need to compete with AI. We can collaborate with AI, like using AI as a tools, and we can do our work. Okay, let's talk about reality. Yeah, this is last part of the video. AI is replacing our job. It's true, absolutely true. And this is reality. And my friend are losing their job. So we don't need to complete with AI. We just need to know how to use AI and do our job better than before. Okay, let me know your thought. Thank you, everyone.